On day 7 of the Daniel's fast, I enjoyed these carrot cake bites. For this recipe, you will need about 2 cups of grated carrots. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to add a half a cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 cup of crushed nuts. Today I use pecans. 1/4 cup of chopped raisins. 1/4 cup of date syrup. The link for my date syrup recipe will be found in the description box. Now we're going to add our grated carrots, followed by a half a cup of quick oats and 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. The link for my whole wheat flour recipe will be found in the description box. We're going to take about a tablespoon of the mixture and form balls. We're going to place the balls on a silicone mat, or you can place it directly on a cookie tray. Then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious carrot cake bite. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. I can lie down and sleep soundly because you, Lord, will keep me safe. Psalms 4, verse 8.